It's now possible to select the model you want in Descript's Underlord. So they've included Claude Sonnet 4.5, and you can now select which AI model powers your Underlord editing assistant through the new model picker, which includes Claude Sonnet 4.5. So different tasks benefit from different AI approaches. And they've actually integrated a couple of powerful models from the latest Anthropic and so on and so forth. So quick question, why choose different models? Each AI model offers unique strengths for different scenarios. So for example, they have the auto or automatic selection. It's a smart default that balances speed, quality, and efficiency for most tasks. They also have the auto experimental, enhanced capabilities for complex multi-step editing workflows. And then Claude Sonnet 4.5, superior understanding for complex script editing and creative work. GPT 4.1, the lowest cost model for simple tasks and different tone stroke style, familiar to OpenAI users. And then we've got Claude Opus 4.1, premium performance for nuanced creative decisions and complex projects, can take slightly longer during processing. So our testing with Claude Sonnet 4.5 demonstrates notable improvements in script editing quality, content writing capabilities, and performance with complex multi-step prompts, templates, while being somewhat less reliable in interacting with our inbuilt tools like captions and translation. So they're still refining these models, but it's good to now be able to and now I'm in Descript, go into Underlord right here, and then click on this option here, and you can see by default is that auto experimental, and then you can do this. And please take note of these pluses right here. These pluses are using what is now being called AI credits right here, and you can see because it's a free account, I've got about 100 AI credits per month, and so on and so forth, more or less lifetime on the free one. And if you're on the paid, you'll see how many AI credits or media uses you can use that for. But it's good to have the option to select what model you want to use in Underlord. That's it for this video. Just wanted to let you know that you can now change the models right here.